My name is Marta Chlus. I am an engineer here at the Avon facility. The reason I came here was that I wanted a place where I can grow and learn and really grow into a leadership role. I went to the University of Connecticut and I graduated with a chemical engineering undergrad. And then once I started working at OFS, they have a support program to support you going back to school. So I was able to go back to school part-time for a dual degree where I went to the University of Hartford and I got my master's in engineering and my MBA at the same time. So I have been promoted here. I am now the lead engineer for our cable department for manufacturing and process engineering. I think what's great here is that there's a lot of support. So when you want to grow and learn and gain leadership skills and teamwork, everyone's here to help you. I think it's great as an engineer because you work with other engineers, you work with managers, but you also get a lot of support with the production technicians on the floor. So one thing that's great is you really work with them a lot. And they have so much knowledge from their experience and working in this facility for so long that it's great to build that relationship, build that teamwork to help solve problems on the floor. Recently, OFS became a corporate sponsor for women in manufacturing, and I was actually able to reach out to one woman there who contacted me with Connecticut Center for Advanced Technology, where they have grant funding for Industry 4 technologies, which is something that we have an initiative here that we're working on. So just from getting this corporate sponsorship to being able to go to these events, I was able to connect us to grant funding to help support some technologies that we want to use on the floor. One of the things I like about this job is that the amount of different products and customers we support. So you're not just doing the same thing every day, you're not making the same cable every day, we're not making the same fiber. It's always great to know, hey, who's this customer? Oh, it's for a medical device, or it's for a specific defense, or it's going on an airplane to use for connecting for data transmission. So I find that every day is something different. And it's exciting to know, how far our products are integrated with the world. One thing that's great here is that there are some initiatives that my coworkers started, for example, a biking initiative, because we have these great bike paths around here in Avon. If you want to go for a bike ride during lunch or after work, we did have a bike to work day, and I was able to participate in that. If someone wanted to come with our OFS, I would say what's great is how much knowledge there was here on fiber optics and manufacturing, and there's so many people here that want you to learn and grow and support you, and that's why I like working here at OFS.